Most people wouldn't go playing golf on a day like today. But this isn't golf, and this is no game. The GolfBag rocket launch system's all-weather capability make it an ideal weapon system for all. Make it an ideal weapon system for the golf course is best suited for launch testing because of its unobstructed fields. We can conduct many routine tests here in almost total safety. Golf course looks pretty barren today. Perfect weather for a test. Whoa, drifts are pretty deep. But the GolfBag can take it. Seem to have run into some rather deep snow here. Let's see if I could find a good spot to launch. Another complete success of the GolfBag rocket launch system. Here we see the exhaust. There's something so exhilarating about being out in the... There's something so exhilarating about being outdoors. The wind on your face sort of makes your skin tingle and come alive. I like to come out here to sort of get back in touch with nature, get away from the hustle and bustle of the big city, and do what really feels natural. To walk around in the woods and the fields, and there's nothing as exciting as that whoosh of the launch of a model rocket. Whether it's for sport or for game, it's, I think, a very rewarding hobby. I really don't let this weather really slow me down much. Duck season opened last week. I'm hoping we'll get to take a few shots at some mallards. Some pretty good eating. And it takes a pretty steady hand to guide one of those surface-to-air missiles to its target. Oh, it's just beautiful. Really beautiful out here, don't you think? Pearson Post Industries believes that model rocketry can be an exciting and rewarding hobby for you and your whole family. Whether it's just dad and his son out for a little target practice in the backyard, or whether it's to, well, whether it's to sustain life on the planet Earth. Hunting is, there's nothing to feel ashamed about hunting. It's a perfectly natural feeling, and one that really needs to be, what does it really need to be? It really needs, it's a desire that all men need to fulfill. Oh, I can hear the little birds chirping now. There's some tracks. I suppose I could go flush them out right now, but these missiles are mostly designed for surface to air, not surface to surface. Here we are at the third hole.
Do you have a mic on? No. Am I in the wrong way? Yes. Yeah, right here. Right? Am I supposed to be right here?
Yeah. Hurry up, get ready, Kelso, because he's going to fire soon.
Oh, yeah. Idiot. History in the making. Better do another one. I got it afterwards. Huh?
Shit, where is it?
Excellent. I caught my dog.
I definitely got a good shot of that.
Yeah, that's good. That's great.
I think definitely hidden in the dunes.
Alright.
Mr. Post, would you consider this launch a success or a failure?
Well, I guess we still have some work to be done.